Sorry guys, no joke to start this video off other than my life. But anyways, we'll go ahead and jump right into the video. Basically, this one we're going to install the cluster. We got the dash in and the keypad. They're centered right here. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Who wants to watch me do something stupid? Alright, next project's going to be tackling this gauge cluster with an AEM cluster, 7-inch, a lot cheaper than the Motec one, and this one supposedly works just fine with Motec stuff. So we'll go with that, see how it works. And originally I actually bought this panel that this slides into and bolts in pretty nice. I was gonna originally just run that, but trying to figure out how to get it in there clean in the stock cluster location. I think what I'm gonna do is try to use this cluster instead. So I actually already pulled that part off, which we'll be reusing, I think. So plan is to just gut everything. Hopefully still should be enough material back here to mount the cluster, and then I don't know, we'll see how we go shaving all this crap out of here. And then actually might reuse this, put it back on there, cut out the inside of course, and then have see if my buddy can tin it, and maybe yeah, I don't know, we'll see how it works out. So plan A, got plan B if that doesn't work out. So let's get to cutting. Oof. It's going to need a lot more trimming than I thought. Well, this should be fun then. Alright, so it looks like I don't have another one of these little grinder bit things, cutter bits, so little cutoff wheel, shit's gonna fly, so see how this goes. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to use a cutoff wheel, leave all this melted plastic. But it'll do for now. Not sure if that's gonna fit. Fun part is gonna be to not cut the clear visor. Well, note, this is a factory 1.5 cluster, and I just gave one away a few months ago. Got another one that we had here, luckily, and I don't have any more, so, but I'm sure someone would donate one. They can't be that hard to find. Alright, so it looks like I actually didn't even hit anything, surprisingly. Oof. So this will be the rough cut to get everything else out of this one. I should actually clear this fine, so it's not going to need to sit inside it. So I just need to open this up and see my buddy can tint the inside of it. So I'll go ahead and open it up a little more. Alright, so that's what we're going to go with for now. Once we get everything cut out, we'll see if we need to cut any more. I don't think so. But I do need to go back and clean all these melted edges up, so I'll do that another point once this thing is a little bit closer. So yeah, clean this up and get started on that. Alright, gonna get started on this part of it. I'm gonna have to cut some stuff out, try to get this AEM to fit in here, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. Alright, so bad we can mess this up with the Dremel. Alright, got this all sanded down. Got in there with the angle grinder, actually cleaned it up quite a bit, so I'm actually pretty happy with how it's turned out. So, not a whole bunch of melted plastic and stuff like that. So, yeah, it fits actually surprisingly good. I still need to drill holes. Got some mounts already in the back. So, need to drill some holes. Keep getting distracted because TX2K is on, so if I see something good, I'm probably going to stop and watch it. Alright, so holes are drilled and all the been cut out for all the provisions in the back. The cluster. Yeah, just got her mounted up, so now I'm going to just paint it, and then I'll have to get the clear front plate back for my buddy that's trying to tint it, so we'll see. Alright, we got this shell all painted and it's almost ready. I still need to get the cover piece. I got a buddy of mine tinting it, so it's not going to be completely clear because I don't want to actually look at all this crap. So we'll see how that turns out once I get it, but got it bolted in. Everything clearance back here for all the connections we need to make, so I'm not going to snap this in because I don't really want to force it in, but got plenty of clearance for that. She's about ready. Dash is about ready to go in. Next thing we got to do is if we can get this thing open. Next thing is the keypad. Find a nice spot for this, which got a pretty good idea of where this is going to go. Ooh. So got this extra piece. This is actually I had laying around from a previous build I was doing on this. I don't know why it's extra, but it's here. So I was planning on going kind of low with it, but with this hole here and this hole is about, or this actually indentation, about the same width. So because I'm lazy, I might just shove her right there. See how I like that. And then at some point get a different piece, cut it out, and so it doesn't have these extra holes. So let's get to mount this real quick, drill some holes. All right, got our holes marked. Just got to get our punch here. All right, just gotta hope we measured right. Probably not. All right, let's see how about us up. If that's any indication, that is not good. Oof. Yeah, we a little off. Damn it. Bigger bit. Try again. Alright, measure one to drill about 6 or 7 times. Get the Dremel out, cuss a lot. And there you go. So now it fits. Alright, let's go test fit it in the car. Alright, well, before we do that, actually, got my my screen back for the gauge cluster. My buddy Dean tinted it with actually some taillight tint. So it goes on the outside, not like the inside like regular window tint. A little worried about this guy looking bad, but I think it'll be okay. So we just gotta toss this on, see how she looks. Oh wow, that is super dark. That's cool. Well, it's cool as long as I can see the cluster. So I'll go ahead and toss that in with the keypad, and we'll go check it out once it's done. Alrighty. Here's the cluster, keypad mounted in. Let's go ahead and hop in the car. Got the Motec over here, still mounted up and out of the way of anybody's feet or anything and crap I want to put in there. So yeah, that's looking good. Besides, you know, these terrible holes right here. I'll change at some point, but I have more important things to do at the moment, so that'll do for now. But enough talking. Let's go ahead and toss this cluster on. You guys can check it out. Man, that is perfect. So excited. Here, get the full effect here. The full effect as I knock my ground out. Let's try that again. There we go. That is so cool. That's the default screen. I haven't messed with any of the creator stuff. So AEM has a creator. You can create your own dash layout and all that. I just haven't messed with it. So this will do for now, just to look and see. That couldn't be any better. That's awesome. Nothing better than having an idea and it just actually work out the way you want it to. So very pumped. So that'll do that for this video. And thanks for watching, guys. If you made it this long, thanks for watching. I know the videos are kind of long. Let me know if you want me to change some things up. We'll see if I actually do that, because I don't follow directions well. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.